Friends, many time I get queries from the professional. They says that we receive the bank statement in the PDF like this way, and they want to convert this bank statement from PDF to Excel. So for that, you can do this with the help of the Python, and using AI, you will be able to convert these kind of tools which I have created. So what you need to do, you just need to upload the bank statement and whatever the bank statement you want to convert. So here I'll just select this bank statement, and automatically it is going to convert this bank statement from PDF to Excel. I need to select the folder in which I want to convert, and here you can see that I have got the result of the bank statement into the Excel itself as well. So here is my converted bank statement. We can customize it. We can do the better changes in that, whatever ways we want to customize, that way we can do it. You can also learn this. You just need to comment your email ID. I'll give you a link of my upcoming masterclass on how to automate CA practice with AI tools, in which you will learn how you will be able to do the automation. Stop wasting hours of time doing the manual